The biggest glitch in the FIFA Mobile 2023, where it allows players to obtain multiple Ultimate Team players and receiving billions and billions of coins. We are talking about the figure that is even won't able to register into their system. That's why it's showing into minus. People are taking advantage of this glitch, and this can give you high rated players and accumulating significant amount of in-game currency. Chances are there will be 50% of the people who are unaware of the situation and may miss out onto the opportunity. So guys, don't be that person missing out onto opportunity, acquiring players, acquiring in-game currency. Now to benefit from this glitch, you can open up the packs very quickly and complete the skill games to maximize your chances of getting more. Grinding for a point such as Series A points and converting them into Ultimate Team points can lead to opening more glitch packages. So that's one thing you can definitely try. The real deal is you should act swiftly. However, it's very important to act very swiftly before the glitch is get fixed by the game developers. However, guys, there are many people raising this concern that there is a crucial thing to consider, that is risk of potential consequences such as being banned from the game for exploiting the glitch. So that's one possible thing I just wanted to let you know into your attention. You should move with the caution and make informed decision based on your own judgment. However, guys, as of right now, I can see that they are providing latest update. I'll show you that update in a moment, but here is the thing. It's important to approach this situation very responsibly. This is a one-time moment. This is not gonna come in a long time. And here is the thing. This glitch is occurred by their latest update. So FIFA probably will not going to ban all those people just because they have dropped in a faulty update. So how it could be possible that they will ban tons and tons of people? So guys, I highly recommend you to enjoy the game, do the things that you want to do. I know they could take away the coins and obtain players during the bug. That is a total possibility. Don't expect that everything is a heaven. But here is the thing. The TOTS rewards that contain all those traps, all those points basically, you can experience it as of right now. Who knows what will happen into the future? Drop down your comments what will happen next, whether you got any exceptional situation going on with your game. Now, to fix this issue temporarily, FIFA Mobile, what they are trying to do, they are stopping the transfer market. So people will stop this crazy things, unfair situation. And here's the thing, guys, those who know the fact, they are taking advantage of it, already took advantage of it. For some people, they stopped the transfer market. People are getting this error. Transfer market is currently unavailable. Try again later. And for some people, the servers are under maintenance. They are getting this maintenance underway error. Speaking of the FIFA Mobile's latest update, the market will be closed for undisclosed amount of time. So who knows when they are going to fix it, but they are currently working on it. As they review the current situation, they'll be going to fix it. Next one, 9 hours ago, they are reviewing the occurrence of UTOTS at a chapter at the reset where certain users are getting UTOT players and large amount of coins. And they are also fixing both of these issues. So guys, do let me know how you're taking advantage of it. If you got any experience to share, do let me know in the comments down below. Let others know. Be sure to enjoy the game. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe. And this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.